don't know. It came off, but it was bending really good. Be pretty fast because we just put it down. Maybe we found where the big fish are. Does it feel like anything?
It's still active.
It's wiggling?
It's still...
You feel a wiggle? Okay, because I didn't feel a wiggle. Another calico. There it is, ling cod. Ling cod.
Wow, maybe need a net.
No, go ahead and ink it. Hup.
Ah, good thing today came off here. Hey,
Not bad. No, we can't keep him.
cannot keep that. That guy's too small.
No, well, he's too small, but he's also out of season.
Oh, out of a season?
Yeah. December 1st, they went out of season. 21 inches.
21. No.
No, that's all right. Look what he spit out.